The intro is G. Okay, we go to the intro. This song is sort like they call it a request. No, just okay, the intro is G 2 times. Picking pattern is bass, and then third string, and then one first, second, and third string twice. So 1, 2, third string, one first, second, and third string twice. So that's 4. 1, 2. Okay, so for the intro is 2 times. And then yesterday, for the second measure of yesterday, the first one is same as the intro. Bass, third, first, second, third string, and then the second measure is bass, third, and then first, second, and third string, and then open string on the sixth string, open, and then F minor, pick the sixth string, so, and then third string, and then first, second, and third string twice, so 4, and then B7, fifth string, third string, first and second string twice, and then E minor, sixth string, third string, first and second string, first, second, and third string twice, and then fourth string for D, for E minor slash D, and then one first, second, third string, and then open fourth string, and then first, second, and third string. So yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. And now go to C, fifth string, third string, first, second, and third string twice, and then D, D7, fourth string, third string, first, second, third string twice. So that's the picking pattern. Bass, third string, first and second string. Okay, that's the generally the picking pattern, and then back to C, and then G, half a measure, sixth string, first and second string, and then D flat, D slash F sharp, sixth string, first, second, third string. So 2 beats only for G, and then E minor, 1 measure, okay, suddenly, okay, got it, okay, one more time, suddenly, I'm not the man I used to. Yes. Yesterday came suddenly. 1 measure only for D. And then Y, 1 measure for B7 slash F sharp, sixth string, third string, and then B7, and then E minor, sixth string, and first and second string, D, fourth string, first, second, and third string, half measure, that's why there are only 2 beats. And then C, fifth string, and then first, second, and third, and then back to E minor, half a measure. So, was she had to go, I don't know, she wouldn't say. And then back again. I said something wrong, now I long for yesterday. Yesterday, love was such an easy game to. Now I need a place to hide away all I did in yesterday. And then, so the last chord is G, A, and then C, and then one more time C, and then G. Okay, it's supposed to be the last, before the outro, you have to repeat the refrain and the last stanza. So, this is guide, very easy. Just remember the picking pattern for the one measure is G, bass, third string, first, second, third string twice. So that's for one measure. Now for half a measure, E minor, one measure, half a measure, E minor D, fourth string, open, okay, so you see, bass and first and second string, that's for half a measure. Okay, got it guys? Anyway, there are only how many parts? This is a very short song. The intro, first verse, second verse, and then refrain, and then the third verse, back to refrain, and then the last verse and the outro, which is G. Okay, well, that's it guys. Very easy to learn. Now this is your tab. Anyway, you got your tab, your lyrics coding tab. Okay. Now, our next lesson will be Lost in Space by Lighthouse Family. Okay. Well, let me play some parts. makes me smiling. That's why I'm always wishing hard for you. 'Cause your light shines so bright. I don't feel no solitude. Okay, that's it, guys. Lighthouse family will be our next lesson. So, that's it. Now, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comments. You can also make requests. And don't forget to click the notification bell and the closed captions cup for subtitles. Okay, that's it for today. No comments? No suggestion? Okay. Anything is welcome. Okay.